Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So in this video we will talk about Instagram comment settings. Okay, so there is also one option in Instagram comment settings that people need to follow you before doing any comment in your Instagram post. That can be a normal feed post or a reel. So when they will go and post in your comment in your Instagram reel, Instagram will suggest them to follow you. So we will talk about all of these settings related to comment in my mobile screen. So I will show you in my mobile screen. So open your Instagram profile, click on this three line on the top right. Here you need to go to a comments. Just click on this one. So here you will see who can comment. So select the post and reels. So I have selected everyone. So if you will select people you follow, okay, so only those people can comment. If any other people are commenting, they will have to follow me first. Same thing will go to a third option, your followers. Only my followers can comment. If any non-followers are trying to comment, Instagram will ask them to follow me first. And the next one is people you follow and your followers. The people you are following and your followers, only this people can comment. Any other people, if they are commenting, they need to follow. And if you will enable off this, your comment will be turned off. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.